Hello, Bingsoy here, and in this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung bagong 3M website natin. Okay, so it has come to our attention na yung marketer plugin na ginagamit natin is already incompatible with the latest WordPress version. So that's why from this point on, we will be using InstaBuilder plugin to create our pages. Okay, so this is an example of our squeeze page. So we have used the InstaBuilder plugin. So yan, medyo modern looking siya, mas malinis siya tingnan. Okay, and once your prospect opts in, ito yung website na pupuntahan niya. Okay, so ito yung sales page natin, yung pinaka-sales page ng SWA Ultimate. Okay? So, yan. Ginawa nating simple para hindi siya confusing sa prospects. Okay? Wala masyadong eye candy. And it has been proven over and over again na yung mga sales pages na simple lang, tulad nito, this is an example of a clean and slick video sales page. So, it converts better than yung mga flowery na mga sales pages. Okay, so, ito na yun. So, it will have two videos. Yung isa naman, yung pay plan presentation. Ito yung pinaka-main video. Okay? So, sa register now, once they click the register now button, dito sila pupunta. Sa join SWA Ultimate. Okay? How to become part of Tambay Academy through SWA Ultimate. Alright, so ito yung page na kung saan they will be instructed on how to join, on what to do once they decide to join. Okay, and ito yung page na i-edit natin. Okay? And going back, so if they want to know the benefits of joining our team sa Tambay Academy, this will bring them to this page. So basically, it will let them know of the bonuses that they will get. So ginawa nating simple lang din. Yan. So, lahat ng mga bonuses andito. Yan, meron tayong testimonials, social proof, para mas tumaas yung probability na mag-sign up yung prospect natin. Okay? Yan. So, if they click here, register now, they will go directly to the Join SWA Ultimate page. Okay? So, basically, sa new sales page natin, or sa new 3M, dalawa lang naman yung pages na i-edit. Ito, tsaka yung ito. Okay? So, what you will edit here is the autoresponder, yung opt-in form. So, you will have a unique autoresponder code. Okay? So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gawin yung bagong 3M natin. So, we will have a 5-step process lang naman. Step 1 is you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Step 2, install WP Clone plugin. Step 3, restore backup. Step 4, log in to WordPress dashboard and change password. Step 5 is edit the Join SWA Ultimate page and the squeeze page. Okay, so let's start with step 1. Okay, so if you become part of us, of TAIC, you will have your own 3M link. So ito yung 3M, sample 3M link na ginawa ko. So ngayon, we will be utilizing the mytambayacademy.com domain for your 3Ms. Okay, the reason for it is to assure security. Tsaka ito kasing mytambayacademy.com, naka-default na siya dun sa VPS natin. Okay, so it's safe and it's secure. Okay, so you just need to go into your subdomain mytambayacademy.com / wp-admin. Okay? So, enter natin. So, ito yung lalabas. So, you just need to put in the username and the password na binigay sa inyo ng staff natin and click on login. Okay. So, this is your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so we have done step 1. So let's proceed to step number 2, and that is to install WP Clone plugin. Okay, so ito yung gamit natin sa pag-clone ng 3M. Okay, so let's go to plugins and add new. Okay, so sa search field, so all you need to do is type WP-clone and click on search plugins. Okay, so piliin nyo yung WP Clone by WP Academy. Click install now. Click OK. Alright, and hit activate plugin. Okay, so it says here plugin activated. Alright, now step 3 is restore backup. So punta tayo sa WP Clone. And so once you're here, just choose restore from URL. And yan, may bago tayong restore URL link. Yan, copy and paste nyo lang yan dito. Okay, so we will be giving you this URL link dun sa Facebook group page natin. And this will only be available dun sa TAIC members. Okay? So, hit on I agree. Tapos, restore from URL. And click OK. Proceed to restore now. Okay. Okay, so it says here restore successful. So ang gagawin natin, we will have to log in again. So press mo lang yung dashboard. Okay, so it will bring you back to the login section. So type mo ulit yung password, username at password. Okay, yung generic username and password natin is admin. And yung password is 12345 6. Okay? So, yun yung username and password na kailangan mong ilagay after cloning the 3M website. Understood? Okay. Now, we have logged in to our WordPress dashboard after cloning na to. So, we are on step 4 na. And this is very important, okay? Kasi, yung previous 3M natin, the reason why we have experienced a lot of malware attacks, yung mga hackers nakapasok sa system natin is because yung ibang mga partners natin, they didn't change the password. Okay? So, this is very important. You need to change your password right away. So, punta ka sa users, check mo yung all users, or click mo yung all users. Ayan. Okay? So, if you see my name here, you can just click delete. And once it's gone, ito, pwede mong i-edit to. Admin. Tapos click mo yung edit. Okay? Now, scroll down. So, pwede mong palitan yung first name, yung last name, nickname, email address. This is also very important. Pwede mong palitan yan. Kung may website ka, pwede mo ilagay dito. Yan. So, you can put anything you want here. Okay, yung new password, lagay natin dito. So, I'll be putting in a new password. Tapos, dito. Then, click on Update Profile. Okay, so, profile updated. Okay? Now, the next thing that we need to do is to edit the Join SWA Ultimate page and the Squeeze page. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. Punta ka sa pages. Click mo yung all pages. Okay, now once you're here, highlight mo yung home or drag mo yung mouse papunta sa home, tapos click, pwede mong i-right click yung edit and click on open link in new tab if you're using Google Chrome. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Once you're here, just scroll down. Ang papalitan lang naman natin dito is yung opt-in. Ito. Okay, so dito mo ilalagay yung HTML code. And if you have your own autoresponder code, pwede mo siya ilagay dito. And kung meron kang autoresponder code na provided natin sa TAIC, this is for the first 1,000 members only. Okay? So, this is not for everyone. Kasi limited din yung autoresponder na pwede natin gawin. Okay? So, once you have it, just copy and paste it here. Okay? So, pwede mong palitan yung mga values dito sa inform text. But you can leave it as it is. Okay? Or, pwede mo ring palitan yung template. Okay? Yung mukha ng website mo. And you can also change the headline. Okay? So, dito mo siya pwedeng palitan. Okay? If you prefer your own headline over this, i-delete mo lang siya. Ito kasi picture siya. Pwede ka lang mag-add media dito or pwede ring text ang gamitin mo. Okay? So, it's up to you. It's yours. Okay? So, yung sa baba, pwede mong palitan yung copyright o yung text sa footer. Okay? So, ito yung example ng yan, footer. Ito. Yan. So, pwede mo rin yan palitan. So, just experiment. Don't be afraid. Okay? Alright. So, once you're done updating this website, just click on update. Here. Okay. So, once it's done, it will say page updated, view page. So, click mo lang yung view page. And kung okay ka na sa look ng squeeze page mo, then you can leave it as it is. Okay. Alright, so now let's proceed. You can close this and let's proceed to editing the Join SWA Ultimate page. Okay, so punta ka ngayon sa post. Click mo yung all posts. Okay, then punta ka dito sa Join SWA Ultimate. Click mo yung edit. Okay. Okay. So, once you're here, all you need to do is change mo lang yung mga personal information. Tulad nito, click here to add me on Facebook. Ang gagawin mo lang dito is to change the link. Yung link niya, ito, with your Facebook profile link. Okay? So, palitan mo lang siya. You can you can check for your own link by clicking your name sa Facebook. Ito siya. Okay, so yan lang ilagay mo dito. Okay, so copy paste mo lang. Then click update. Then you change the phone numbers. Okay, ito. Change mo rin to, yung email. And then ito yung option 2. Ito. Okay, so video siya. And click here for my SWA referral link. So, palitan mo rin yung referral link mo sa SWA. Okay? So, check natin kung ano yung referral link. Okay, in my case, it's tubinsoy.com.swaultimate.com. So, palitan mo lang ng username mo dito. Okay, then click update. Then, ito, palitan mo rin to. Yan. Palitan mo yung Facebook link mo. Yan. Okay, hit update. And ito. You can delete this one. Tapos, once deleted, add ka na lang ng picture mo, add media, upload. Yan. So, hanap ka na lang ng picture mo. Then, click open. So, mag-upload siya. So, for example, let's use this one. Mukha ni Mr. Bean. Yan. Then, click mo yung insert into post. Yan. Okay, so, lalabas na yung picture. So, yung picture na to, I believe it's 250 by 250. So, you can resize the image according to your liking. Pero kung gusto mo ng malaking picture, that's fine. Okay? So, delete ko lang yan. And change this one to your name. Tapos, pwede mong palitan din to. Yung short description of yourself. Okay? So, pwede mo ilagay Tambay Academy founding member, success coach, internet marketer. Depende sa'yo. Okay? So, after editing the values here, yan, pwede mo rin siyang okay, it's okay. You can leave this as it is. Yan. So, pwede mo rin siyang palitan ng page design, yung color ng page mo. Yan, pwede mong palitan yun. And click update. So, once you have saved the page, you're good to go. Okay, so ganun lang siya kadali. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to PM us on Facebook, and you can also send me an email, beans_biz@yahoo.com, or you can PM any of our admin staff. So, si Jen Sena yung parent staff natin, so pwede mo rin siyang i-PM. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.